Hi, in this video, I will show you how to count unique number in list cells. Here, so we need to press UNIQUE here. So click here and enter. So you got a list with unique. So here you need to counter COUNTA here. A is count text. So we got this one, then enter. So you will got 5 is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Apple was duplicate. Banana is duplicate 2. So how can I count this one? Here is the all the here cells was the all floats here. So we need to TextSplit here, TXT click here this. So we need to double quotes, comma double quotes here, right, enter. So you will got a list with all the fruits in cells, one fruits, one cells. So here, so I double click unique. So by columns, yes, we got false. I enter. So you will get I see here's true, TRUE true. So we got the unique float here. So you need to change here unique with true. So the last step is counter here. So we got here, okay, COUTA. So enter. So you will got the float here is unique is 5. So if you Excel was not unique, so how? Here we got a layer. So we need to count if with this one, enter this one, F4, then use the first number here, press F4, so enter. So click here, double click. Now you will get a number here. Here is the apple was second times, this apple was third times from up to down. So the last step is count if. Here select, we need to count one's cells, then enter. So you will get 5 unique